Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the exact trig values, sine, cosine and tangent of 30, 45 and 60 degrees. They come up every paper, every year on the non-calculator section. Memorise them once and you'll never lose those marks again. Definition. Exact trig values are the sine, cosine and tangent of 30, 45 and 60 degrees, expressed as surds or fractions, not decimals. The point of exact form is that these values appear without a calculator on the non-calculator paper, and you're expected to know them instantly. Memorise these. Sine of 30 is 1/2. Sine of 45 is root 2 over 2. Sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. Cosine goes the other way. Cosine of 30 equals root 3 over 2. Cosine of 45 equals root 2 over 2. Cosine of 60 equals 1/2. Tangent of 30 is 1 over root 3. Tangent of 45 is 1. Tangent of 60 is root 3. Common mistake, mixing sine 60 with cosine 60. Sine grows from 0 up to 1 as the angle increases from 0 to 90. Cosine shrinks from 1 down to 0, so sine 60 is root 3 over 2, which is close to 1. Cosine 60 is 1/2, which is smaller. Sine is growing, cosine is shrinking. Lock that thinking in. As a quick example, find sine 60 times cosine 30. Well, sine 60 equals root 3 over 2. Cosine 30 also equals root 3 over 2. So multiply root 3 over 2 times root 3 over 2, which equals 3 over 4. No calculator needed. 3/4, exact answer.